Hello and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty!
It's time to light up your life. Get ready to make some hand-poured scented candles using your eco-friendly materials and seasonal scents. Under the guidance of a professional candle maker, you'll create soy-based candles and some lasting tea memories. Our candle makers not only teach the art of melting wax, but are also adept at melting away even the tiniest of barriers impeding your team from success. Best of all, your finished product will make for a great gift or simply add some joy to your workspace, where they are sure to spark some great conversation. Our kit made of sustainable materials provides each participant with soy-based wax, attractive candle holders, essential oils, and other decorative materials. Please note that participants will need access to a microwave or stovetop as part of the process. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry.